Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we are going to be doing a review on the VIZARD AI. Yes, we've heard that it's the best AI video generator in 2024. So we're going to find out, is this true? Is it living up to its hype? Is it actually true? That's what this review is all about. So let's get started. Now, we know that when you want to compare or create compelling short YouTube videos from existing content, it is a tedious task. So it would be best if we had a way of streamlining the process for maximum impact. Because editing actually feels like a chore, keeping you from the creative work you love and limiting your reach with potential viewers because you have to edit. But we're told that VIZARD AI can do this. Do you think that a generative AI video tool like VIZARD AI can actually be the answer? Let's answer that question. Because it claims to make video upload and editing a breeze, maximizing your content potential. So we're going to walk through of this particular site, this VIZARD AI tool, and see and understand if it's actually the right tool for you. Let's get going. So the first thing we're going to see is look at this. What is VIZARD? What is VIZARD? Look at VIZARD. So it helps you turn your long video into viral clips with AI magic. VIZARD uses AI to turn your long-term videos into short clips ready for channels like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and more. You can try it free, no sign up needed. You can get clips for free or upload. Wow, that's good. Just paste a YouTube link here and you can get the clips for free or upload them. Then you can also use, you can see animated stuff, AI B-roll, AI social caption. You can see it here. So nice. It helps to publish to social media also. Get a lot of likes, make lots of likes. So these are the supporters. You can see supporters squaring past. Trusted by about 5 million plus creators and businesses. That is great. It has 4.9 out of 5 stars from 3,000 plus reviews. So you can do the coach, podcast, course, TV show with it, YouTube, on Instagram. You can see interviews, news. You can create all this you can edit all this using the VIZARD AI. You can get clips for free too by clicking on clips for free. Who do they help? This VIZARD AI actually is built for everyone. If you are a creator, a podcaster, for coaches, business owners, marketers, agencies, and freelancers. And then it also helps teams for collaboration. You can build team workspace for everything. It helps to revolutionize collaboration with a centralized hub, allowing leaders to invite members for seamless project management, real-time viewing, and sharing previews with clients or external team members. You can invite members by clicking on this. What makes it different? AI features that actually work is the first thing that make it different. Like one, AI clipping, which allows AI to find highlights in video footages and clip with one click. Whoa. Also have AI speaker cut and auto ref. It's the easiest way to turn a landscape video into vertical. That's good. We also have AI captions, dynamic captions for your videos in 36 languages. Whoa. So you can add trending caption styles like top content creators or customized caption styles to add your own personality to it. We also have the AI B-roll. Hook your viewers with AI B-roll. Automatically find and add B-roll to your videos to make every second count. You can see it here. AI social caption and hashtag. If you are struggling to create catchy social captions, you can use the shortcut, which is the AI social caption and hashtag. So to help us also generate captivating descriptions and hashtags to give your videos the extra boost that they need. So how does it work? From raw footage to social ready clips, a workflow that just works. How? In today's digital age, you can see this auto transcribe. Exactly what he's saying is being transcribed here. So what it does is that you can upload and transcribe. To help transcribe your video, cut out speakers and process your videos with their proprietary AI. You can click get AI clips. Just sit back as VIZARD generates fully designed video clips for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or any platform of your choice. All you have to do is click Get AI Clips. So you can publish on YouTube and share it. Download, share as links, or publish directly from VIZARD. Voila, your work is done. It also has a VIZARD editor. It's an easy-to-use video editor for full creative control. Whether you edit with AI or you can edit manually, it's all up to you. So you can edit by text, where you trim videos by editing the corresponding video translation. So edit videos as easy as a document. You can also have caption translation, where you translate your caption to over 100 languages and reach your audience globally. You can change the ratio, one click to resize and make your videos fit different social platforms instantly. You can fine-tune text-based edits by trimming down by timeline down to seconds level with the intuitive timeline editor. Look at it here. With the entire editor, you can trim it down to seconds. Then you also get a brand template where you have to leverage template design by VIZARD or save one of your own. Make your videos always stand on brand. You can also link share your videos as a link and collaborate with teams effortlessly. It is faster, it is cheaper, it is better. Let's look at what creators say about VIZARD. Then the first person we have here is a creator called Alan C. Paul from GOG and Gigs. Yes, from GOG and Gigs, and he says that it's 10 times faster than manual clipping. He explored various options but kept returning to VIZARD. The cost effectiveness and fast download speed of VIZARD made it his preferred choice. Then Carly Myers from she's a stress management coach. She says it is 90% cheaper than hiring an editor. VIZARD has made editing financially more accessible for her. Previously, she would hire freelancers for the task, costing around $400 actually, to create 10 clips. Now it offers her both time and money savings when she uses VIZARD AI. Then Addictive Labs, who is a creator, says that there's 5 times increase in views. He has noticed quite a bit of a difference since he started using the VIZARD AI. So he has had a jump in subscribers. Now he averaged about 50,000, 60,000 views a day. That's a huge growth from 0 views. Wow, a really huge growth. The videos with high vitality score do very well. So everything that the editor is telling was telling him has turned out to be true. So for him or her, it depends on this Addictive Labs gender. Moving on, 80% time saved in content creation. This is said by Hilarious, a creator. He was able to create a new system for himself with VIZARD that creates clips effortlessly, saving himself at least an hour each day. We have others like Jackie Son, is a producer. We have from Taylor Wade, director of communications, Dripping Spring Methodist Church. So even church uses. James Hicks, creator also. Kelly Faladre, motivational speaker. So you can get started for free. You can. This is VIZARD. These are the tools: API, AI pod clip generator. These are the features. Let's look at the features. I'm going to list them all out. AI video editor, AI video generator, also subtitle generator, also video editor, Instagram video editor, TikTok video editor, video translator, YouTube clip maker, YouTube shorts maker, transcribe or YouTube text, all the tools. And who they help? They help everyone. Social media marketer, content marketer, performance marketer, event marketer, podcaster, coach, consultant, agency. You can check out their blogs here and their resources over here. So, wow, should we sign up? So let's see, these are the use cases. We've mentioned them already. The tools, we've mentioned the tools. The resources, I showed them to you. Then let's look at pricing. Then we'll look at the pros and the cons. So let's see pricing. We have 3 popular choices. Let's see. If you do a monthly plan, yearly plan, you save 50%. So if you have the free version where you don't pay any money, you get the 60 upload minutes per month. The sign up is free, and that includes private workspace. You can manage one social media account, AI generated clips, full access to video editor, export videos in 720p, 3-day storage. But if you decide to go for the popular choice, which is the creator, this is the creator plan. Here you get to produce high quality videos with watermark free, and you pay $14.5 per month If you want to pay per year, which will give you 50% off, you pay $175 per year. Then you have to select the user tier. So that's 7,200 upload minutes per year. Subscribe, and it includes private workspace. You can manage 6 social media accounts. 6. Everything in free. You also get it, plus no watermarks. You can export videos in 4K. You can schedule social posts and videos are stored forever, not 3 days. Then if you decide to choose the business plan, it's to empower collaboration for your team. You pay $19.5 a month. But if you want to do the yearly billing with 50% off, you get $234 per year. Then you also 7,200 upload minutes per year, but it includes shared workspace, manage 20 social media accounts, everything in Create. So everything here, you get it here. Plus, you can invite team members plus $5 per month for each seat for the team members. Unlimited viewers. You can have brand kits and custom fonts. Now, notice that the subscription to the creator and business plan renew automatically at the end of each billing cycle, unless you terminate it, at which point they will charge a credit card in your account. So you can see, you can compare the plans here. Free, creator and business. You can compare the plans here. Under video editing, let's look at under video editing. You can see you can only download the text of 10 minutes. Here you can download text and SRT, text and SRT. So many features. Now let's look at the pros and the cons. Should we look at the pros and the cons of using VIZARD AI? Are there going to be any cons at all? Because I'm just saying pros and pros. I won't lie to you. There are so many good things you can do with this. So many good things. So let's look at the pros, then we'll look at the cons. Okay, the pros is that number one, it's a powerful editing tool. Definitely, it has. If I'm not a powerful, it has powerful editing tools in it. So many, and then AI-powered enhancements. Definitely, streamlined workflows. Yes, cost-effective solutions. You can see the costs 50% off in pay per year, and intuitive interface. Yes. Cost-effective solutions. So I've mentioned about 5 again. Intuitive interface, powerful editing tools, AI-powered enhancement, streamlined workflows, and cost-effective solution. Now let's look at the cons. Well, from people who've used it, we got to know that it has occasional glitches. Yep, occasional glitches. I'm very sure they'll work on it. And then it is resource intensive, so you need a lot of resources. That is why we click on the resources aspect, you see a lot, so you can click on them and watch them. Then limited customization, you can't really customize much. And then the learning curve, you need to learn a lot to be able to use it. So in case VIZARD isn't for you, even though it packs a punch, or you want to just consider other options, you can try popular alternatives like Descript, Capwing, Subtitle, repurposes.io. You can try all those, but make sure you check their pricing and feature list to determine which is best for your specific needs and budgets. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.